Mel, what do you love about our flat rate food box?
Well, I like that I can stay at home here in Jamaica, shop online at Walmart, and get my packages straight to home here in Jamaica.
Yeah. A lot of our new customers have been calling to ask about our flat rate food box. Guys, there's absolutely no need to call or message us about the feature. All you have to do is go on our website, click on the link at the top that says flat rate box.
Okay, so Robert, you're saying I don't have to call. I can just go on the website, read up about it, or I can watch the video on YouTube?
Exactly, we have a video for you to show you how we pack a box. Guys, we have 4 different size boxes. When you shop, we are going to pack your items in the best suited box. You don't need to worry, you just shop and we will pack a box for you efficiently.
Oh, so you're saying that unlike packing a barrel, if I go and buy, say, things that will hold in a medium box, you just put it in a medium box and just ship it, and I won't have to worry about it being too small or too big?
You will not worry, we're going to pack it very efficiently.
Wow. So, Robert, another quick question. Suppose I buy a small box of things. Will you put it in a large box and then charge me for that?
No, we would never do that. Your box will be packed efficiently.
Okay.
So guys, I want you to go ahead, click the link over here to see how we pack a box. Alright, so go ahead guys, do that for us right now. And remember, no need to call us, no need to message us. Click on the link at the top of our website that says flat rate box. Okay?
Thank you.
Bye bye.